Hello viewers, today we are going to start a new crochet thing. First of all, we are making a flower, crochet flower.
We will make a magic ring and 3 chain and 3 double crochet.
3 chains and 3 double crochet. We have also given you tutorial of these flowers previously.
Okay, and then 3 chain okay, and a slip stitch.
After 3 chains, a slip stitch.
Okay,
Like this, our one petal is complete.
one, 2 and 3 chain
3 chains
and 3 double crochets. Okay,
3 chains, 3 double crochets,
1 double crochet, 2 double crochet and 3 double crochet. Okay, and 3 chain.
same pattern as the previous one. Petal, 3 chains and then slip stitch.
Okay, slip stitch.
Like this, our second petal is also complete. Mashallah, 2 petals are complete. Now we will make all the other petals with the same pattern. Now our mini flower is ready. Mashallah, it is looking very cute. And now we are going to place it on our hairband. We will use these 3 color wools. These are lighter threads, thinner threads, and we are using it for making flowers and leaves. We will apply these 3 colors on our hairband and we will make our hairband using this wool and 3 ply, and we are using 2.5 crochet. The first step for making our leaf,
slip knot. Okay, and then chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 chains.
Okay, okay, and we make a simple stitch. Okay, first we make simple stitch Okay, and next okay, half double crochet, half double crochet, okay, double crochet, okay, and again last half double crochet, okay,
like this. Mashallah, our leaf is
one side is
completed from one side. Now the other side. We have given you the tutorial previously also, you can watch on our channel.
okay, next
like this.
first simple stitch and then half double crochet, okay, half double crochet, and next double crochet, okay, okay, and then half double crochet, one double crochet and last half double crochet.
Next half double crochet, then
simple stitch, okay, and one slip stitch.
yes, mashallah,
Okay.
our leaf is complete.
Small leaf
Small leaf
and small
small flower.
and one more
We will
flower.
make one more flower with the same pattern of this light purple color.
And three or four pink and four purple, okay, and 8 leaves.
Now we are going to attach our flower with our hairband. Like this. Mashallah, our flower is looking very nice. Small flower. You can utilize these small flowers on any kind of ribbons that you can use for making different hair accessories.
Okay.
Like this, using a needle and a green color thread. we are fixing it. In this way we have attached our flower and our leaf, and with the same sequence we will attach all our other flowers and leaves. One flower and one leaf. We have made a tassel like this and we have attached it to our hairband, and now we will tell you how to make this beautiful tassel. Making the tassel, we have taken double strand of our pink wool and triple purple wool, and like this
Okay.
we have folded them. In this way we are folding the purple thread over our tassel in this form. In this way we are rolling our purple thread. The thread, now going to give a knot so that it is completely fixed in the place. Now going to cut it. Yes, mashallah, our tassel is looking great. Cut it properly so that it looks very neat. You can use also these kind of tassels on your different kind of dupattas, different kind of shirts.
Okay.
Very easy to make. Now we will attach it with our hairband. We are going to give a knot. Tightly.
Okay.
Like this, tightly we have knot. And now with the help of crochet we are going to make it look neat. We have made our tassel neat, and these are our both tassels. Mashallah, they are looking nice. And this is our hairband. This is our crochet hairband. Hope you like it. If you like it, like and subscribe our channel. It is looking beautiful.